Legacy Gifts. A workplace like any other. Or is it?
I'm absolutely thrilled to welcome you to the management club.
Maya just got promoted to unit manager.
I'm not here to boss you around.
Shifting from friend to boss.
Can I get a corporate gift unit? Woo! I just want the team to feel empowered.
Learn from each other? We don't have time for mistakes. Maya can't take charge.
Dealing with a group of interesting and diverse characters. Annika.
My willpower is solid when what I am requested to do is rational.
James.
There's no way I'm starting a campaign on a Thursday before the weekend.
Hannah.
I am so excited to be working with you. Thank you so much for this meeting.
Ahmed.
I am great, actually, aren't I?
Anise.
Every person has their own way of looking at things.
And VJ.
They don't even know how to swim.
Conference room now!
Many challenges await.
How are we going to fix this?
Our meeting is about sexism.
What are your deepest, darkest secrets?
This is a team building exercise before the team building.
Did you agree to this?
May the best man win.
Conflicts to face.
You both roll!
Hey.
What?
I will be conducting with your evaluation.
I just need you to work with me. We're a team.
Let's go on strike.
She's simply unable to cope with the high pressure and intense responsibilities.
Everyone is put to the test
You should really consider firing him.
I don't think I can do this.
in Legacy Gifts.
You can't do it yet.